Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you a little walk around video of a 2022 3LT Corvette. I'm going to let the vehicle do most of the talking for me. We will have a link in the description portion of the video. This one is 86,000. It has 1,270 miles, and I will just let the vehicle do the rest of the talking for me. Also torch red with the adrenaline red interior. One last thing, this is Car Bravo certified, so you will get an additional 6 months, 6,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty on top of the existing factory warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. We'll answer any questions about this 2022 3LT Corvette, or you can leave a question in the comments section and I will answer as quickly as possible. Thank you for your time and have a great day.